dance through the highways, and we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to do a frontal wig extended ponytail. First, we will need a wig cap, and I will be doing the bald method. So I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glued spray to seal this bald cap to my head, and I also like to use my Got to Be Glued gel also, just for a little bit of extra security. And then I will be using my blow dryer to seal it to my head. So I've cut the excess of the bald cap off, so now I'm just cleaning my skin with my alcohol so I can apply the glue for my lace. And if you guys are interested in this wig, I will link it down below. So I'm just prepping my cap with my foundation, and I'm just laying my wig to make sure that it's in the right place. I will be using my Ghost Bond glue. Now I like to add one layer, and then of course you let it dry till it becomes clear, and then you add your second layer and let it dry again, and then you apply your lace. Now, everybody's different, but I feel like it's easier to lay a lace when it's not cut. Let me know which one is easier for you guys if you like to apply your lace already cut. But I like to use my comb to make sure that my lace is laid flat. So I have applied my entire lace, and I just like to go in and clean up with a Q-tip and some alcohol just to get that excess glue. I like to use my finger as a guideline just to make sure I'm not wiping the actual lace. And then you want to tie that down. I'm just using one of the wrapping strips. I folded it in half and I'm tightly tying it down. So after about 10-20 minutes, I'm going in with my foundation just to camouflage that lace or any type of glue or anything that you might see with a bright light, because girl, it might look good to the eye, but that's why you need a ring light, so you can see everything that the eye cannot see. So now it is time to style my wig. I will be rocking a side ponytail, so I'm just making my part. I'm going to make a few baby hairs and just slay this look. So y'all just go ahead and watch. So I like to use my Got to Be Glued for my baby hairs. Now there are different variations of baby hairs. It's kind of a mood thing, or depending on the look that you're going for, depends on how drastic the baby hairs. But I do have a tutorial if you are looking for a detailed install of a lace wig with baby hairs. Make sure you check that video out. I will link that down below. So I like to use two different brushes to get my hair to lay the way that I want. I like to use the big tooth brush to actually get that hair straightened, and then I like to use the bristle brush to get my hair smooth. So I'm just creating a little bit of baby hair over on this side because that part will show. This is the side that I'm wearing my swoop, so I don't really need to create all these other baby hairs. And I am slicking my hair down with mousse just to get that flat, and I will be using a glosser to create some shine. And so now that I've got the basis of my ponytail, I'm going back in with my comb just to straighten out any of those hairs, make sure that everything looks flawless. And here is the gloss I was telling you guys about. It's by Luster Pink. It smells really good, but I just wanted to create some shine, so I have now created my ponytail. So because this is a curly unit, I will be using the flat iron to kind of straighten out this ponytail since it is curly and fluffy. So I'm just straightening that out, and then I will be adding my one bundle of 30-inch hair. I will be using a bobby pin to secure the track to my ponytail, wrapping my ponytail, and then braiding it. So you guys just watch the rest of the video and let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to take a small amount of this track hair left and just wrap it around my ponytail to conceal the track. And I just sealed that off with a bobby pin, and now it is time to braid my ponytail. And here is my finished look, dolls. It turned out so cute. It's so classy. Such a simple hairstyle. Of course, you could do this with your real hair if you wanted to, but my version is a lace front wig. Now, you can dress up this style, make it look a little bit more classy, a little bit more cute. I like to add some beautiful headbands that I got from Amazon. I have multiple colors. If you guys are interested in these headbands, I will link them down below, girl, because I got them for a really good price. But here is the diamond one. It's really cute. And then I also have a multicolored one that is really cute, and I also have a all black one. So if you guys are interested in them, make sure you check the description box for any of the items in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, sis, and I'll see you in my next one.